see, lady, I can relate to this. Because before I met you, I used to want to lock myself into a vault just to feel precious. But now with every kiss, hello, and goodbye, I feel a self-worth no banker can tally. And my heart is a protest that I let rally against my ribs, because I want to build my bones into cribs and lay my reluctance to rest. Test what it would be like to live frenetically, to hold you unapologetically, to plant a giving tree on my front lawn so that when you're gone, it can give you back to me, and I'm sorry. And when you sleep next to me, you're forced to listen to the symphony of the unplugged nostril. And I'm sorry that one time for some reason I called you ma'am. That's fucked up. Fucked up, and I just bought a pair of Speedos so I can go swimming with you kind of way. And crazier than that is the fact that I'll play at being brave, because doubt is about as useful as a fire escape when you're trying to dodge a tidal wave. When you got no time to save anybody yourself, you better believe that you're worth it, and you are worth the time it takes to take the time to get to know you. We've managed to muddle through the awkward stages of I like you and you like me, and when we both said yes, life became a multiple choice test. Not knowing anything, we became each other's best guess.